I've been using the TurboTax mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the TurboTax app. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the TurboTax mobile app. One of its standout features is the ability to take a photo of your W-2 form and have the app automatically import the information into your tax return. This not only saves time but also minimizes errors during the process. Another advantage is its comprehensive support for various tax situations, from simple filings to more complex cases like self-employment or investments. A key highlight is TurboTax Live Assisted feature, which connects you with tax experts who can guide you through your filing or review your return before submission. This feature adds peace of mind for users who might feel uncertain about tackling taxes alone. However, it's worth noting that while the app offers a free filing option for simple returns, more advanced features and complex filings require an upgrade to a paid plan, which can get expensive. Additionally, some users have reported occasional issues with glitches and account verification, which could disrupt the experience. Despite these downsides, TurboTax mobile app stands out as a reliable and user-friendly app, offering expert support and robust features for a seamless tax filing experience. As always, do consider speaking with an